Wrestling star Vinesh Fogart got a grand welcome as she arrived in Jhajjar after her Olympic campaign ended it yet another heartbreak. She was disqualified from the gold medal match for being 100 grams overweight. Vinesh was greeted with garlands, including one made of money. She was seen taking selfies with young fans. The atmosphere was a mix of celebration and support, reflecting deep admiration for the multiple medal-winning wrestler who announced her retirement from the sport. My colleague Shreya Ghosh has been tracking her since the time Vinesh Fogart arrived in Delhi. There are several processions and felicitation functions being held on her way to home from Delhi to Balali, where she will be going. Shreya joins me from her hometown to take us through what all has been happening during the day and what is expected when she reaches home. Shreya, thank you very much for joining us online. Tell us, what have you witnessed throughout the day? We have been seeing scenes of felicitation. Vinesh Fogart did not manage to win that medal, but it seems that the celebrations are bigger than any medalist got upon return home.
Had already promised Vinesh Fogart to give her a grand welcome in her home ground in Charkhi Dadri, and I am right now at her home ground, and we can see men who have clustered around here, have gathered here to sort of welcome Vinesh Fogart, who has now emerged as the unstoppable force of Indian wrestling. Although she has declared her retirement, yet the people here I have spoken to, they still wish for her to continue. And of course, here the energy right now is quite low because they are all anticipating Vinesh's arrival, which we can expect shortly. She landed at 10 in the morning, and since then she has been stopping at multiple locations from the national capital Delhi to on her way to Haryana here in Charkhi Dadri, and she has been addressing fellow wrestlers, young wrestlers, and right now I am here as I am also joined by a fellow resident here who is here to embrace the beloved daughter of Haryana, which is also the hinterland of wrestling in India. Sir, आप मुझे बताइए कि
yes. Shreya, we are just trying to talk to you to understand, have you managed to hear from Vinesh Fogart? What has been her thoughts and reflections after reaching home?
Right, so she's of course she's had a very emotional journey at the Paris Olympics, but she has been quite tight-lipped when it comes to speaking to the media. But she has of course addressed to the public, to her fans, and she has inspired generations of wrestlers. And she said that her fight, the wrestler in her, the fighter in her, is still alive, and she has extended her gratitude, her heartfelt gratitude to her family members, her fans, her coaches, and we haven't received any one-on-one conversation, one-on-one interaction with Vinesh yet, but we can expect to catch a glimpse of her and to interact with her shortly once she arrives here in Charkhi Dadri, her hometown.
Thank you very much, Shreya, for getting us all the pictures from her hometown. Let's also listen into some of the reactions.
पूरे देशवासियों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ। मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ अपने पूरे देशवासियों की, इतना प्यार और सम्मान दिया। पूरे देशवासियों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ। मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ अपने पूरे देशवासियों की, इतना प्यार और सम्मान दिया। पूरे देशवासियों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ।